We are continuing with the series of goal setting for our own personal development. I have talked about the various things that are important to me, and one of the things is community service. Community service is basically giving. How many people are you helping as you work, as you earn, or even as you do business? Are there things that you have taken upon yourself to do for others, not expecting anything in return? You see, giving has a ripple effect. Once you do, other people will do it, and it will bring about a better community. It is so contagious that people will watch what you are doing and they will also be willing to give. I'll say for the youngest, I have been supporting my parents, and that's not the kind of giving I'm talking about. I'm talking about giving even outside of your family. And recently, I saw my daughter now who is in college. We also go out there and do shopping for me, similar to what I used to do. You see, giving is very, very contagious. If I do not do that for my parents, she wouldn't have noted that it's a good thing to even visit your parents with some shopping or some substances or to give money for various reasons when they are in need. So I'm saying giving is important to me. I also have this down that I read it to, and it gives me some form of happiness. I have noted that there are lots of times that we may be expecting that the government will do everything, but we are not doing anything ourselves as we did it, even as we are. So it is important that even as we live our lives, we make a habit of giving out to the community. There is a needy child out there in your neighborhood or where you live, within your estate or in the village, and you can help them. You can educate them. So how much are you putting that upon yourself to see that we live in a better life? In terms of goal setting for that, it requires resources. In which case, when you're making your financial planning, then that needs to be included. In which case, once it becomes a habit, you will be helping on a continual basis. Remember, we are what we continually do. So as far as setting goals is concerned in community work, it is important that you also set a budget for that so that you know what you'll be giving out, what you will be paying on a monthly basis, on a quarterly basis. For example, if you take up a child for school fees, you know it will be done quarterly. Every 3 months you'll be required to pay the school fees. It makes you happy once you know that you have done something for someone and you're not expecting anything in return. That's the kind of giving I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the giving that you give and you know somebody will give you back or something will be done for you in return. I'm talking about the giving where nothing is expected. You're just giving and you are happy to do it. Once you make it a habit, it will not only you'll be making sure that as you plan your life, as you plan your budget, there is something small for the community or to give whoever it is that you pick. You don't need to know the people that you are giving. You can give even to children's home. You can visit them. And you do not only need to give finances or resources. You can give your time. You can give your time. You can speak in different forums just to encourage people or to prepare them for different things. It is important that we set that as goals. Remember, we are setting smart goals. So they are specific. You have said, if this is the amount I'll be giving, you have set it there. These are the people I'll be supporting, it is set there. So it is specific. In terms of measure, you can measure because you have said this year, this is what I will do in terms of resources or in terms of time. So it is measurable. Achievable or attainable, you have set it and it is something that you know you can do. If it is a certain amount of money, you know you can achieve that. Is it relevant? Yes, it is relevant because it's part of the goals that you have set for yourself. And time bound, it is time bound. You have said that between this month and this month, this is what I will do. So there are smart goals you have set. And this is smart goals for your community giving or the community support. In Rwanda, there is something called Muganda. They do community service once a month. Everybody does. It's a cleaning exercise. Now that we are not doing it here, how much can we make sure that we commit ourselves to doing things that will help the community at large, that will help us achieve results as a community, make the world a better place. Thank you.